Friends, we are studying CPS 1 and CPS 2 curriculum and pedagogic studies, school subject English. We have started unit number 1, nature of language. Today we will see 1.8, instructional objectives of teaching English. Uh, Instructional objectives of teaching English, we may call them classroom objectives also. At the primary level, we think instructional objective, or we write instructional objective as a skill wise. So let us see, there are 5 skills. According to them, we will see the instructional objective. The first skill is that listening skill. The general aim of to develop it is that to enable the student to comprehend simple English when spoken. That is the general aim. The specification we write here as: the student recognizes English sound, the student differentiates the sounds of English from sounds of his mother tongue, the student understands and follows directions, orders, and questions, the student behaves as active listener, the student listens and comprehend the listening, and last one, the student listens and grabs the meaning. Here, this we have to develop the proper listenings among the student. So that's we have some specification we have to achieve in a classroom. So this is the instructional objective of listening skill. So let's see the second, speaking skill. The general aim is that to enable the student to express himself through speech in simple and correct English. The specifications of this skill is that the student pronounces English sounds correctly, the student uses words and phrases correctly, the student puts the ideas in proper sequence. Fourth one, the student uses words in correct order. Fifth one, the student speaks with reasonable pauses and speed. And sixth one, the student speaks with proper stress and intonation. So according to topic, again we change some specifications, but we are discussing in general. So these are the specification and general aim of speaking skill. Then next one is that the reading skill. The general aim of the reading skill is that to enable the student to read simple English with comprehension. Yes, the specification of the reading skills are: the student identifies the written symbol with the sound symbols, the student identifies words and phrases, the student reads with proper stress, intonation, pronunciation, pauses, and with reasonable speed. The student recognizes sentence patterns. The student grabs the central idea. The student locates the sequence of facts, ideas, and events. The student recognizes correct spelling. The student grabs the meaning of words, phrases, and sentences in the given context. The student enjoys the reading. So again, according to the lesson or prose or poetry, we change some specification. So these are the general specifications aim of reading skill. Then the writing skill. The general aim is of writing skill is that to enable the student to express himself through writing in simple and correct English. The specifications are: the student writes legibly with reasonable speed, the student uses appropriate words, the student uses structures of sentence correctly, the student uses punctuation marks correctly, the student makes proper use of connectives, the student uses proper forms, the student writes various types of composition, the student writes stories from given outline, the student writes formal and informal letters, the student presents the matter logically and in proper order, the student writes with correct spellings. So these are again general specification, general aim of writing skill. Again, see the communicative skill. The general aim of the communicative skill is that to enable the student to acquire the necessary communication skill required for his day-to-day life. So the specification are: the student communicates his thoughts, ideas, feelings, etc. The student understands the speech of others. The student uses proper language in his communication. The student speaks fluently. And fifth one, the student communicates with other in simple and correct English. So these are the specification and general aim of communicative skill. At the primary level, we think or we prepare lesson according to the skill. So according to the skill, we write the general aim of the lesson, then we write the specification likewise. So according to the topic, we can change them. These are the general ones. So these are the instructional or classroom objectives of teaching English. Whatever I have present before you, I have took some references from this book. Generally, the first one, you may also visit or read this book and take in detail. Thank you. Thank you very much.